guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing miracle knots with BLL hair, and let's get straight into the video. We have 6 packs. I doubt we'll use all the 6 packs, but my hair is braided. As you can see, I braided my hair and I stopped somewhere here. So you just want to give yourself box braids all around, make it neat, make it clean, and then stop in between so that you can go ahead with your feather crochet. We're going to do step by step so that we understand the process thoroughly. We're going to start with the braiding. When you're done with the braiding, you complete the braiding with the feather crochet before you go into the crochet method for the miracle knots. These are my feather crochets. If you can see them, you take 1 feather crochet. I like to separate my braid into 2. Can you see this thread like part? Yes, that part needs to be in the middle, and then you hold your hair with the crochet as 1. Then this is 1 and this is 1, so it becomes 3. Then you just braid in. Do you understand? It's easier for me, at least. So I'm gonna braid it until my hair is literally swallowed up, and then I'm going to twist. Some people go ahead and knot it. I'm going to twist, and then I stop here. That's literally perfect. So you braid your natural hair, you add your crochet, braid your crochet, then you twist your crochet up to this point. So I managed to finish this entire part. So I think you should like tack it. This is how to tack it. So after you're done braiding, take the hair, take a small piece, like a very tiny piece like this. You get, take it around. 1, take it around, still that same hole. Then 2. Period. Instead of twisting, you can do that, but when you're done, make sure you like detangle your hair in case it gets tangled when you're like grabbing the small piece. So after the feedings, this is what we have left. It's quite boneless and tamed, so we want to put in the crochet. Okay, this is the most exciting part. This will make the hair. You take the feather crochet, you tuck it behind your hair, put your hands inside, hold this part while you drag it, and then tighten. Then you can pull to make sure everything is tightened well. You take your crochet, put it inside, you poke a hole, put in your crochet, bring it out, remove your crochet pin. And then you take your hair and you just tie. When you want to loosen it, you have to loosen the hair. When you get here, the crochet will fall out, or you can look for the loop and then pull it out from the crochet, but it's going to like be difficult to loosen. So those are the 2 methods I have for you. So whatever method you decide to do, you can do it. For long term, crochet method is the best. If you want to keep the hair on for like a month into 2 months, crochet method is the best because it's not going to go anywhere. Okay. And then for short term, the non-crochet pin method is the best. So for 2 per braid, this is how many we have. This is how full it is. I think you can separate them, you know, all your hands. Right now I have 3 remaining, so I've used 3 bundles. The back is done. I just have this left. That is the front. So this is what we get, and for this front I'm sure I'm just gonna use one. So overall I think 4 packs of this coily paste is going to be enough. I also think you should buy 5 just in case. Mind you, this is 4 bundles I've used. This I took about 10 out of it, and then we have a full look. It is so full, so beautiful. I feel like if I add any more, it's going to look too full at the bottom and then flat at the top. So I'm just going to leave it like this. I really, really love it. I love it. Let me show you the back. I actually like it so much.